Drop shipping made easy. Have you ever wondered if dropping is difficult or easy? Do you often wonder what are easy steps towards success in dropshipping? Have you found yourself frequently thinking if you can gain much profit in dropshipping or not? If yes, then you have landed on the right video. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, the #1 source for content centered around earning money from home. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. Subscribe to the channel so you're always up to date with our latest uploads. In this video, we'll take you through everything you need to know about drop shipping made easy. Now let's get into it. Dropshipping can be a very effective and simple way to get involved in e-commerce. Many established online merchants are now turning to dropshipping as a method for minimizing stock on hand, decreasing overall shipping costs. Dropshipping allows website owners to send single low-quantity unit orders gathered on their websites to manufacturers or major warehouses, who in turn drop-ship the items directly to the customers. Advantages of drop shipping. Because a warehousing company can buy in huge volumes, they will also be able to offer you the best prices on products and shipping, which will return a greater profit to you. There's no capital investment and no need to invest in inventory. Using dropshipping allows you great flexibility in terms of product range. Promote a dozen items or promote 1,000. Instead of worrying about inventory and delivery, you get to focus on listening to the market and discovering the products your visitors want. Selecting a drop shipper. Many companies will have an interest in teaming up with you in a drop shipping arrangement, as it's an easy way for them to generate extra revenue, but there are a number of points to consider and things to look out for. Don't accept the first drop shipper you come across unless they are willing to provide you a best price guarantee. Some companies will have a handling fee over and above freight costs. It's important to know all the costs involved so you can calculate your profit margins accurately. Are they using small private shipping companies or UPS? Will they ship internationally? You'll want to be sure that their shipping methods will ensure your clients receive their orders in one piece. Also, keep in mind that you may need a specific type of shopping cart in order to handle drop shipping. Many shopping carts only allow for one ship from zip code in the configuration for freight calculations. If you are dealing with a number of drop shippers, you may have dozens of point of origin zip codes, and this can be a real headache if freight is based on distance. Will the drop shipping company automatically debit your credit card on each order you submit, or can you get monthly payment terms? When you are starting out with a company, they are unlikely to offer credit, but it's good to check if this will be possible once you've established credibility. The last thing you'll want is to be caught up in a nasty situation where you have a number of returns and have to cover the bill. Ask the drop shipping company about their return policy, what kind of support they'll offer you for their products, and about any guarantees associated with their products, and get it in writing. How long has the company been around for? Do they respond to your requests for information rapidly and professionally? Young companies have the habit of going belly up quickly or growing too rapidly, and as a consequence, basic good customer service suffers. Simple steps of dropshipping. Set up a website that includes a shopping cart and credit card processing facilities, or set up an eBay or other auction account. Find suppliers of products you wish to sell that incorporate drop shipping as a business method. Open an account with them. Gather content and images relating to the products you've chosen. Incorporate them on your site and shopping cart. Collect the order and payment from your site. Provide the supplier with the customer details. The supplier then bills you at the special price you have agreed upon, fulfills the order and sends it to your client, in most cases with labels referring to your business website instead of the company. Drop shipping increases profits. You would like to increase your income by selling other PEOPLES products, but you just 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐷 have the money to stock inventory. On the other hand, perhaps you have lots of your own products and would like to increase your sales, but you 𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐷 have a lot of money for advertising. The solution to both problems may lie in dropshipping. You can drop ship orders. For example, you receive a credit card order for a product retailing for $100 plus $5 shipping. You now turn around and fax, or email or phone, your order to your dropship supplier. You pay the $50 wholesale product cost plus $5 shipping using your own credit card. Your dropship supplier now ships the order to your customer. With no investment in inventory, your gross profit equals $50. Would you like more sales of your own products? Consider drop shipping your products for other dealers. As an example, you may have a product that sells for $100 plus shipping. Every time you sell that product yourself, you will have a sale of $100. However, how many $100 sales can you make personally? Now consider the situation where you offer your dealers a wholesale price of $50. You could have hundreds or thousands of people selling for you. It is true that each product sale now only brings you only $50 in sales. What would it cost you to attain these sales through traditional advertising channels? Would your advertising even bring you the desired results? Keep in mind that with this drop shipping arrangement, you pay only for results. When a dealer retails your product for $100, he is really receiving a $50 profit for selling your product. You could view it as a sales commission. You receive only $50 per product sale, but sell way more than without dropshipping. You ship directly to the customer for your dealer. So, whether you sell products or your own, dropshipping can increase your sales, preserve capital, and maximize business profits. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about drop shipping made easy. Let us know in the comments section down below if you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting. Remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also subscribe to Colorful Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.